Hey guys, and welcome back to another Project F30 video. Like everyone else, I've been trying to keep busy, so I've been looking for stuff that I can DIY during the lockdown. I've always wanted gloss black kidney grills and an M3 style boot lip, so I ordered them online for a really great price, and I'll leave the links for everything in the description as always. The front grills looked great, and I had no issues with the quality despite how affordable they were. Installation was pretty straightforward, though I chose to do it without tools and unfortunately did not get it on video. However, it was pretty much just putting your fingers through the grill and pressing against the tab and then pulling the grill out at the same time. Start from the right and work your way around. The other side will then be a lot easier as you can put your whole hand through the hole after removing one side to press against the tabs. The new grills then snap easily into place, and they really make such a huge difference to the way the front end looks. I think it looks pretty subtle too, so it works well even on a relatively stock car like mine. I chose the rare spoiler in gloss black rather than carbon fiber, and as I wanted a subtle look, I chose it over the popular M Performance spoiler. The quality was decent for the price, but the paintwork wasn't really perfect. The spoiler came with 3M tape already attached, so that saved me some time. I just needed to prep the surface by giving it a proper clean and a wipe down with the provided alcohol pad. I took my time to align it the best I could and started with the edges before pulling out the rest of the tape. Fitment was decent as well. It left 2 small gaps at the side, which I thought was acceptable. The double-sided tape underneath is quite visible though from certain angles. I'm not sure if that's normal, so leave me a comment and let me know if that's the case with your spoiler too. I really like the look of it though. I think it suits the car perfectly for that subtle OEM Plus look. I think the car now needs some rims and maybe new taillights. So that's it for this video. I just thought I'd do a really quick update. I do have lots more coming up though, including an MST intake that I've just purchased. So as always, hit that like button and leave a comment as that really helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the